Welcome students. Today we are dealing with class 11 biology and the chapter is biological classification part 4. In the last class we studied about kingdom fungi, the first two classes, and today we are studying the third class, which is basidiomycetes. So they grow in soil, on logs, log means tree trunk, in living plant bodies as parasites. The mycelium is branched and septate, so it has partitions. Asexual spores are not found, so there are no asexual spores present. Vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Sex organs are absent, so there are no particular organs but fusion takes place. So plasmogamy or fusion of protoplasm takes place by fusion of two vegetative cells. Vegetative means body, or somatic cells of different strains. So two different fungi, their cells combine. Resulting structure is dikaryotic. So when they fuse, they form a cell with two nucleus, which form basidia. So when the nuclei are formed in a single cell, dikaryon stage, the structure is called a basidia. And basidia are formed inside fruiting body. So basidia is covered by a fruiting body, which is called basidiocarp. Carp means a fruit. Example is agaricus or mushroom, astilago, which produces smut. It is a disease. Puccinia produces rust, which is a powdery structure. Bracket fungi or puffballs, they are common. Here we can see astilago, it produces smut in maize. And Puccinia, it causes rust. So we can see that the leaf has developed certain powdery structures. Next is bracket fungi. You might have seen them, they are common. And puff balls, so they are ball like structures. Kingdom fungi, deuteromycetes, so they are commonly called imperfect fungi. So they are called imperfect because they have only asexual or vegetative phases. They do not have sexual stage. When sexual forms of these fungi were discovered, they were moved into classes they rightly belong to. So what happened, that fungi, when they were being discovered, some fungi were discovered which do not have sexual reproduction. They were placed in deuteromycetes. But after some time, when it was found that they also have sexual reproduction, they were moved to other groups. So we can see that in this group only those fungi are included which do not have sexual reproduction, or we can say in whom sexual reproduction have not been discovered till now. Only asexual spores are found. So only conidia are produced. Mycelium is septate and branched. Some are saprophytes or parasites, while many are decomposers. So many members, they are decomposers. Example is Alternaria, Colatotrichum and Trichoderma. Here we can see Alternaria solani. It produces disease in tomato, which belongs to Solanaceae family. Colatotrichum, it infects strawberry. This is a view of Trichoderma. It is also a parasite. Kingdom Plantae, so they are eukaryotic. They have a nucleus and cell organelles. Chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. They are photosynthetic, but some are partially heterotrophic, that is they are insectivores and parasites. The life cycle has two phases. So the life cycle has two stages. One is diploid sporophytic. So diploid means when they have double number of chromosomes or paired chromosomes, and haploid gametophytic. Haploid means half number of chromosomes, and gametophyte means when they are reproducing in the form of gametes. So sporophyte is when reproduction is not taking place, when we can see the leaf, stem and roots, and gametophyte is when they are producing gametes like flower. They alternate with each other. So first sporophyte stage occurs, then gametophyte, then sporophyte, then gametophyte. They alternate with each other. This is called alternation of generations. So in every plant, the sporophytic generation alternates with gametophyte. After some time, they alternate with each other. So sometimes the plant reproduces, and in other stage it grows. Example are, we know that there are 5 groups in plants: algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Here we can see some plants. Insectivorous plant, Venus flytrap. We can see that the leaves are modified and they catch a fly. Parasitic is Cuscuta. We can see that a tree, it is covered by Cuscuta. It takes nutrition from the host. The last kingdom is Animalia. They are eukaryotic and multicellular. So all the animals are multicellular. Cell wall is absent. Heterotrophic nutrition, mainly holozoic. So holozoic nutrition is in which food is ingested through the mouth. They store excess food reserves as glycogen or fat. So food is stored in the body in the form of fat or glycogen. We know that glucose changes into glycogen in animal body, while in plant glucose changes into starch. Higher forms, or the animals which are more developed, like mammals, birds, they have developed sensory and neuromotor mechanism. Neuromotor means nervous system in which neurons are developed, so they react fast. Most of them show locomotion. So most animals move. Locomotion means to move from one place to another. Sexual reproduction is by copulation of male and female. So the male and female, they exchange their gametes. We know that mostly the male gamete is transferred to female. It is called copulation or transfer of gametes. Then there is embryological development. So there is a proper sequence of development of embryo. Example are reptiles and mammals. There are about 10 animal phyla. Here we can see there is a variety of animals. Thus we can see that small butterfly up to the largest, which is giraffe, which is elephant, and the tallest, which is giraffe. So there is a large variety among animals. Thank you, children.